If our lives depended on you staying until the final second of this video, statistically, we'd be very out of luck. That's not just for our channel, that's for the majority of videos on YouTube. I mean, imagine if YouTube were a movie theater and you're the filmmaker, or in this case, the creator. The thumbnail is like the marquee or the poster outside the theater. It does a good enough job and intrigues enough people to come into the theater. So the seats fill up, everyone gets their popcorn, and right as the movie starts, people start walking out. And by the very end of the movie, more than 80% have already walked out.
I mean, that would be devastating. But that's basically what it's like on YouTube. And now as filmmakers, we have to create with that in mind. Knowing that you're ready to just go to the next thing as soon as you lose interest, like the slightest bit. So today on the channel, we're gonna be talking about you and what YouTube has done to you. You specifically sitting there watching us right now.
But also us.
But we're also gonna be speaking for ourselves.
Because we're also YouTube viewers.
We got the idea for this video a couple of days ago when Samsung sent us a package.
Samsung sends us a lot of packages, but this one is probably the most special.
And it has to do with why we're standing in the dark right now, as well as why we all of a sudden started thinking about how much YouTube has changed us. All right, this is the Samsung Premier Projector, and we're about to turn our office into a theater. Put on Colin and Samir. Literally the second it gets dark in here, I've just been putting on the projector and watching our old videos. Is that weird? Yeah.
Nothing more YouTube than just watching your own videos and laughing at your own jokes.
Literally just smiling at yourself smiling.
It's weird.
Yeah.
But it's also awesome. Stage one.
Our significant others are like, man, they're working really hard, huh? And we're like, we're just watching old videos of ourselves.
We're just laughing at jokes we told 2 years ago.
Yeah. All right, so after spending the past couple of days with this new projector and the entire back wall of our office transformed into our own theater, we have some thoughts.
Here are 5 things we really like about this projector, and number 5 is about the way it's made us rethink our relationship with YouTube, and we'll get to that. But first, number 1.
Are we not gonna address your new beanie?
Well, look, we can. Do you want to shoot it in slow-mo from all sides?
It just feels like something we should talk about. All right, so the first thing is that it has a really short throw. Now what that means is that we can keep it on the ground here and it can just project up like this. So that makes it perfect for small spaces. It makes it perfect for our office because we can literally just keep it on the ground here and it projects the entire wall. Typically with a projector, you'd have to like hang it from the ceiling or put it way far in the back of the room. But for this one, it's really sleek and can be really close to the wall. Does that look like a dog?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good, man.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
You've done that before.
Yeah, look at that, you know?
The second thing we really like about this projector is that the sound system is built in and it creates like movie theater quality sound. This for me is what puts it over the edge and makes our office truly feel like a movie theater. We're watching a show we made called Now Boarding like 3 years ago.
Okay, you ready? I'm gonna really crank it right now.
All right, let's do it.
Beat's about to drop.
Beat's about to drop. It kind of reminds me of when like video game controllers had rumble packs. You know, and like when you would fall or something, if you're playing like a skateboarding game, it would actually like shake the controller. That's kind of what it feels like back here.
Totally.
Number 3, this is a smart projector.
So what's cool about it is it's connected to the internet. So we're just scrolling through YouTube right now, but you could also do all kinds of other things, anything that you could do on the internet. But it's super useful for us because we're mainly spend our days on YouTube. So another thing you can do is project things from your phone if you don't want to use the remote, or if you have something on your phone that you want to project onto the screen. But you can also do it with your laptop. And that's really cool because when we're editing, if we're all just like sitting around the studio and we want to review and edit, whoever's editing the video can actually project it onto the screen and we can all sit, watch it, make edits and feedback, and then everyone can go back. And you can do all of that without getting up because it's the entire wall.
That's how we use it throughout the majority of the day. And then as it gets towards the end of the day, we just start watching videos.
Yeah. But I also think like when podcast guests come in here, Like, it's kind of a classy move to have their content projected on the screen right when they walk in.
Not only is it a classy move, it's a big time flex.
It's a big flex. Listen, welcome to my studio.
Here you are.
Here you are on my wall projector thing.
Welcome to our office.
Yeah, welcome to my, yeah.
Okay, you're in our theater now.
And the final point is that it commands all of our attention. And that's a completely different way of viewing. When you have a screen this big, you really just sit and focus on whatever is on the screen. It just totally commands all of your attention. And I think as filmmakers, when we first started making things, like our total expectation was that you were gonna watch it from the first second to the last.
Like all of you are who are watching right now. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Even if you're not watching this on Projector, that's actually pretty rare.
But the thing is, when you do watch something all the way until the end, and when you watch it like this with the home theater experience, it is just that, like it is an experience. It's not just distracting yourself going from one video to the next. You're having a full-on experience and you actually can get inspired and learn from those experiences.
And that's what's so cool about having this in our office now. It's a constant reminder about what we love the most about filmmaking and storytelling.
I actually deleted Instagram this week because of this projector. Like, because I just wanted to be more intentional. I found that I was just filling so much time and I had no idea what I was watching. I would watch like a million videos by the time it was 11 o'clock, like 11 a.m. And I have no idea what I watched. It was just distracting myself for distraction's sake.
And that's how YouTube has changed you and all of us. The way we create content is with that in mind. We're creating for distracted viewers because we all have gotten accustomed to having so much control over what we're watching and being able to click away and to distract ourselves when something feels like it's not stimulating enough, which is just kind of leading us into this constant cycle of just watching, consuming, moving on, being distracted.
So we challenge you to break that cycle a little bit. And whether you have a home theater or not, just choose something with intentionality and watch it from the start to the end.
All right, thank you so much to Samsung for sending us this new Premiere projector. It has completely transformed our office, and this was a really fun video to make, and it's a really fun thing to have in our office.
Eventually, we are going to have a movie night here in this office, so comment below with your favorite movie of all time, and maybe that will be the one that we screen right up here.
All right, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, put your favorite movie in the comments, and we will see you later. Peace.
Get out of the frame. Let me like focus it on me, and let me do like a full front.
What am I doing with the shot?
Hold on, let me see it. Back up. Okay, I just want people to like really sink it in. Ready? That's just for my own research because I haven't seen the beanie from all sides.